Hi, welcome back. I'm Michael from Orthopro. Let's discuss another option that people have when dealing with foot drop. This brace is called the Blue Rocker. It's another option for people that experience foot drop to help support their foot not only at the ankle, but also at the knee. It resists flexion at the knee, and that happens a lot of time with foot drop. We find this design to be very useful for people that need extra support. It not only has a very strong anterior shell to it, but it also helps to pick the foot up when you take your foot off the ground and you need to swing it through, so you're worried with foot drop that you're going to catch the toe. That helps prevent that from happening. This particular brace goes inside the shoe. So as long as you have enough room in your shoe, you do have options for footwear. It slips in, and then once that's placed inside the shoe, the straps are undone. And you can actually leave the brace in the shoe and step into the shoe, and then you do up the brace straps. And in that manner, you're able to not worry about dragging your foot on the ground and tripping and falling. And if you have knee weakness, it will give you the support that you need. As you may have experienced, people that have foot drop sometimes aren't that quiet. Their foot slaps the ground because they don't have control of that foot gradually getting to the floor. And so it does quiet the foot slap that happens. And also, if you're wanting to do activities such as pickleball, it'll help you get around faster and beat those youngsters. We hope you found this information useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch other videos regarding this topic. If you or a loved one are dealing with foot drop, please call and schedule a free consultation or visit our website.